What's up, Matcha gang? I'm Michael, and I'm here to show you how to swap fee-free on Matcha, and also how to use Matcha Auto for benefits like gasless swaps. Let's do it. First, I want to show you how to use standard mode for fee-free swaps. When you're on matcha.xyz, click on Start Trading, or if you're on the blog, go ahead and click on Open App. Boom. Now here from the trading module, we can select our pair and our network. I'll just go ahead and choose WETH to USDC. And then here in the top right, click the gear settings icon, and you have the option to toggle Matcha Auto on or off. For free swaps, click on off. You'll also see a number of settings that you can toggle and play around with. I'm gonna keep it default for now. But boom, look at this. For just standard swap, the same you would do on Uniswap, 0% fee. Bang. Love to see it. But now you're like, cool. What's Matcha Auto though? Why would I ever turn that on? It's a great question. Matcha Auto is a mode that we launched early in 2023 that provides traders like you with benefits like gasless swaps, don't need ETH in your wallet, MEV protection, we've already saved users $1.2 million from MEV, and faster trade confirmations. All right, if you want to turn that on, hit the gear icon and make sure Matcha Auto is turned to on. For trades made in this helpful mode, we charge 0.25%, the same price that Uniswap charges for standard swaps with no added benefits. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Matcha.